Good morning, friends. I am Dr. P.M. Patil, lecturer in mathematics as well as coordinator of first year Science and Humanities Department. So I first wish you very happy, prosperous, healthy New Year 2021. As far as syllabus is concerned, I will just give the outline of the syllabus. The topics for mathematics are logarithms, determinants, partial fractions, matrices, and the trigonometry. So we start with a very simple topic, that is determinants, the introduction of which is given in 9th or 10th. So we will just continue, and you might have studied the topic in Marathi language. Here the language is changed, it is in English. But for English medium students or semi-English medium students, there comes no problem. So, determinant, what is meant by determinant, or what is the use of determinant, why we study this determinant? Determinant, why we study? To solve the equations. The very effective application of determinant is to find the solution of simultaneous equations. So that we will study at the last in this topic. But we start with what is meant by determinant. So determinant, the definition is like this: an arrangement of numbers or letters in equal rows and columns and enclosed between two bars. Bars means vertical lines. It is called as a determinant. So the various examples of determinant are given. A, B, C, D. The first example, first row is A, B. Second row is C, D. The general determinant, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. In figures 3, 5, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 6, 7, 0. So one can prepare any number of determinants as an examples. So the first one and the third one, they are determinants of order 2. Why? Because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. And second one and the fourth one, they are determinant of order 3. Why? Because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Rows means horizontal lines and columns means vertical lines. So in the first one, the first row is AB, the second row is CD, the first column is AC, the second column is BD. So these are the examples. The same is true for the remaining also. Then the next part comes how to evaluate the determinant or how to find the value of the determinant. So this part you might have studied in 9th or 10th. So I will take the first one, that is ABCD. So cross multiplication, start from left top corner. So and take the cross one, AD minus BC. So 3, 5, 0, 1, 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0. The answer comes out to be 3. How to evaluate third order determinant? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So what is the technique? Take the first element of the first row, multiply it with a determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. So A1 into B2 C2 B3 C3. This one is the second order determinant. Then take the second element with negative sign, that is minus B1. The same procedure, multiply it with a determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. So A2 C2 A3 C3 that remains, and the plus C1, take the third C1 means third element of the first row. The same technique, multiply it with a determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. So a C1 into A2 B2 A3 B3. So A1 into B2 C3 minus B3 C2, as we have studied in this we have studied how to evaluate second order determinant. A1 into B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. So we will take the figures instead of A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. We will take the figures 1 2 3 4 0 5 6 7 0. So the answer comes out to be 109. So these are the examples for practice. Examples for practice. I want the answers from each and every student for these examples. Expand. The nature of the question is expand or find the value of the determinant. So these are the 2 marks questions from the point of view of examination. So first one is 3921. Second one is sec theta tan theta sec theta. So second one, sec square theta minus tan square theta. You just go through your trigonometry and see what is the identity and then what is the answer. Third one is sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Fourth one is cot theta cosec theta cot theta. Fifth one is 431 560 203. Sixth one is 191 235 611. Seventh one is 453 703 051. Eighth one is 312 410 053. Ninth one is 111 222 410. 10th one is 617 351 423. So these are the examples for practice. Practice is the only way, or practice is the only solution to become perfect in mathematics. So solve the examples more and more. Then the second type of question, solve the determinant equation or find the value of x. Find x. 4x 1 3 equal to 0. So how to start with? The first step is whatever given, you take it first step. Given 4x 1 3 equal to 0, and then expanding the determinant on LHS, you will get 12 minus x and is equal to 0, that is RHS. 0 is the RHS, and therefore the solution or the value of x is 12. Second one is 31x 0 1 2 5 1 0 is equal to 0. So again take the given thing, then expand the determinant on LHS. So 3 into 0 minus 2 minus 1 into 0 minus 10 plus x into 0 minus 5 is equal to 0. So just multiply, open the brackets, etc. And the answer comes out to be 4 by 5. The third one is 5 1 2 1 0 x 3 minus 2 1 is equal to 2 2 3 3. So you have to expand the determinants of both the sides. So expanding the determinants on LHS and RHS, you will get 5 into this one. You are now perfect in expansion, so I suppose. So therefore the expansion on LHS is like this, and expansion on RHS 6 minus 6, and that comes out to be 0. So just solve this, open the bracket, solve this, and finally you will get the answer or the solution as 5 by 13. Next one is fourth one, 5 plus 3x 1 4, 7 plus 4x 1 8, 10 plus x 1 12 equal to 0. By direct expansion you can find the value of x, or using the properties. I suppose you have studied the properties, otherwise I will give it in the next lecture, the properties. So properties, R1 minus R2 means first row minus second row. R stands for row, 1 stands for first row, R2 second row, like this. R1 minus R2, that will give like this. Then R2 minus R3, that will give like this. So we make the example simple by using these properties, and we can find the answer very easily. So finally we will get the answer as x is equal to 1 by 4. So you just go through the book prescribed for you. The books are of various publications in market. Up to 10th there was only one book, but here you have to study all the books, or you go through the books more and more, you will get the examples more and more. So the various publications are here, S. Chand or Nirali publication or Vision publication. So I am the author of Vision publication book. So it is available in the market as well as in our library. So you go through these books and try to solve the examples on determinant and ask the doubts if any. Do not sit with the doubts. Your mind should be clear about the concepts, and after that only you can face the exam very easily, very confidently. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you once again.